Our second technique is that of plantar fascia taping. The plantar fascia is on the bottom of the foot. This taping technique is aimed to offload the plantar fascia when it's injured or overloaded. The first two steps you have to do are to provide an anchor around the ball of the foot and around the whole border of the foot. So just come up just over either side of the foot, and then one again running around the whole foot. This one I like to measure off. I like to start on the inside of the foot, so half the tape's around the bottom, coming back to the centre, and then just place it down. This tape doesn't have to be firm, it's just to provide an anchor point for the rest of the tape. Now this bit's the tricky bit. We're going to provide a fan-shaped pattern at the bottom of the foot to offload the plantar fascia. We're going to start at the heel here and always finish at the big toe. Going to fan around so that each piece finishes at the big toe. So starting off down the bottom, the strip will come up to the big toe like so. Again, with about a 50 to 75% overlap, fan around the bottom of the foot. You probably need about 8 different pieces. Obviously, the further up the side of the foot you go, the shorter the tape has to be. And the last one will pretty much go following the anchor. Now all you have to do is anchor it off so that the edges don't come up. I just like using one anchor just around the whole foot. And that's your taping technique for the plantar fascia.